Ever feel like content creation takes forever? You generate images in one tool, create videos in another, search for music somewhere else, and then spend hours trying to make everything feel consistent. Most creators are not struggling because they lack creativity. The real problem is the workflow. It's slow, repetitive, and difficult to maintain the same style across every piece of content. That's exactly why I started testing Ribbi AI. Instead of rebuilding the same process again and again, I created my own reusable workflow inside Ribbi that helps me generate visuals. So today, let's test my Ribbi workflow with some fresh creative prompts and see how well it performs. Let's begin by creating original visuals using the same workflow setup. First prompt, create a futuristic motorcycle parked in a rainy neon alley. Glowing street signs, wet reflections on the road, cinematic night atmosphere, ultra-realistic details, premium lighting. The result looks insane. Sharp details, rich lighting, and a scene that feels straight out of a sci-fi movie. This is exactly the kind of cinematic style I wanted this workflow to maintain consistently. Second prompt, generate a luxury beachfront villa with infinity pool, palm trees moving in the breeze, golden sunset sky, elegant architecture, realistic water reflections, travel magazine quality. This looks premium and beautiful, perfect for travel brands, luxury content, or high-end social media visuals. Third prompt, create a powerful warrior standing on a mountain cliff during a storm. Dramatic clouds, flowing cape, cinematic lighting, epic fantasy atmosphere, ultra-detailed realism. This one feels like a movie poster. The mood, composition, and lighting all stay consistent without needing extra adjustments. Now, instead of rebuilding the process from scratch, I can use the same workflow to turn these visuals directly into cinematic motion scenes. First prompt, animate the futuristic motorcycle scene with flickering neon lights, falling rain, steam rising from the street, slow cinematic camera push-in, realistic atmosphere. Now the image feels alive. The motion keeps the same cinematic style automatically. Second prompt, turn the beachfront villa image into a cinematic video with moving palm trees, flowing pool water, birds flying in the distance, warm sunset motion, luxury travel commercial style. This honestly looks like a professional resort advertisement. Once you create a workflow that gives great results, you can save the entire setup as a reusable skill. That means you don't need to rewrite prompts, rebuild styles, or repeat the same process every single time. I can simply launch my saved skill and instantly generate content with the same visual quality and style consistency. It saves a huge amount of time and makes content creation much faster. And again, if you use the skill link, it also includes 10 free generations so you can test the workflow yourself. First prompt, create a modern gaming room with RGB lights, triple monitor setup, futuristic desk, moody lighting, clean premium aesthetic, ultra-realistic interior design, perfect for gaming creators and tech content. Second prompt, generate a stylish coffee shop interior in Paris, warm morning sunlight, elegant furniture, people softly blurred in background, premium lifestyle photography, very aesthetic and social media ready. Third prompt, create an astronaut sitting on the moon holding a glowing laptop, Earth visible in the background, cinematic space lighting, surreal, futuristic art style. That one is instantly eye-catching. And even with totally different concepts, the workflow still keeps everything polished and cinematic. Ribbi AI feels less like a random AI tool and more like a complete reusable content workflow. Instead of wasting time jumping between platforms, you can build your own system once, save it as a skill, and reuse it whenever you want. If you want faster content creation, more consistent visuals, and less workflow chaos, Ribbi AI is definitely worth trying. Check the skill link in the description to test the workflow yourself and claim the 10 free generations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.